Hi, I'm Chris with Dynojet Research. What I have here is the Dynojet PowerVision 3. The latest ECU editing and flash tuning tool on the market. I'm going to show you what it is and how it works, because this might be exactly what you need to get the most out of your ride. PowerVision connects to the vehicle's diagnostic port and allows you to change ECU settings pertaining to fuel, timing, also vehicle speed, RPM, and torque limits, as well as other settings. Inside the box, you'll get the PowerVision itself, the vehicle cable, a USB cable, some consumable items, decals, product registration information, as well as your installation guide. Currently, the PowerVision 3 is supported for Polaris, Can-Am, Indian, Honda, and Yamaha, and the list is growing. Pre-developed tune files for stock or mildly modified machines are preloaded onto the device. They can also be downloaded from our online tune database and easily flashed into your vehicle's ECU. Tunes can also be opened and edited and created through the Dynojet PowerCore software suite. Flash times generally take a little over 5 minutes. These tunes can give performance benefit by way of fuel enrichment, timing advancement. We can change throttle movement profiles to remove torque limiting features. We also have the capability to raise rev limiters and speed limiters. We can change boost control settings on select models, as well as radiator and intercooler fan settings. We've seen 10% rear wheel horsepower increases on some stock vehicles through a flash alone. The PowerVision 3 is capable of displaying and recording ECM channel streams. It also has the capability to view and clear diagnostic trouble codes. It stores a copy of your stock file for safekeeping and has plenty of memory to store several tune files. The PowerVision 3 supports multiple vehicle licensing. Vehicle licenses are sold separately. The Power Commander 5 is a great tuning tool if and when you only need to change fuel, but with the PowerVision 3 and its ability to edit the ECU software, it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities to take your tuning to the next level. Visit our website to learn more about the PowerVision 3 or to purchase any of our racing and performance products. If you like this video, click the link below to subscribe to more just like it, and thank you for watching.